Rain-X wipers are the #1 wiper blades in America. That means all kinds of drivers choose Rain-X. Big drivers in small cars choose Rain-X. Small drivers in big cars choose Rain-X. Drivers with long hair and short commutes choose Rain-X. Drivers with short hair and long commutes choose Rain-X. Drivers with pets on board, babies on board, and bored babies on board choose Rain-X. Basically, drivers who love a clear view of the road all choose Rain-X wipers, the #1 wiper blades in America.
Welcome to the HCM Technology News Roundup. It's February 1st, 2021. I'm Mark Pfeffer, editor of the HCM Technology Report, bringing you the latest news from the world of HR technology. And it's brought to you by NetSuite. If you're a business owner, you don't need me to tell you that running a business is tough. But you might be making it harder on yourself than you have to. Don't let QuickBooks and spreadsheets slow you down anymore. It's time to upgrade to NetSuite. NetSuite gives you visibility and control over your financials, HR, inventory, e-commerce, and more. Everything you need all in one place instantaneously. So ditch the spreadsheets and all the old software you've outgrown. Let NetSuite show you how they'll benefit your business with a free product tour at netsuite.com/HCM. And now the news. ADP's Next Gen Payroll has gone live with its first client in Mexico, expanding its reach across all of North America. Built natively on the public cloud, the platform gives practitioners and employees transparency into how they're paid, along with predictive insights and suggested actions. ADP said Next Gen Payroll also helps employers address regulatory challenges and the complexities of global payroll while simplifying the overall process. Employers can reduce average turnover by 30 to 60% in high-turn industries like retail and 20% among organizations with salaried workers if they use the right talent acquisition solutions. This is according to Nucleus Research. On average, companies spend more than 30% of an employee's salary per turnover, and that can increase with costs required to train a replacement. Employers can reduce turnover and give recruiters more time to make strategic hiring decisions and also develop more effective overall talent plans by leveraging talent acquisition solutions to recruit and retain more qualified employees. The HR app platform PeopleGoal released Social Graph. It's a tool that captures team dynamics and relationships, and by doing that, it provides a better view of how teams and team members work together. Based on the company's workflow app engine, the Social Graph captures forms as they move across processes. It then identifies the network interactions within workflows. The result, the company says, is a holistic, multi-dimensional view of the dynamics at work within teams and between employees. Ceridian will acquire Ascender, a payroll and HR solutions provider with more than 1,200 customers in Asia-Pacific, Japan. Ascender has industry expertise across all verticals, as well as a solid partner ecosystem. With the acquisition, Ceridian will serve a combined 1,500 customers and 2.5 million employees across 30 nations in the region. And finally, eLearning Brothers introduced the Rockstar Learning Platform. It combines LMS and LXP features to address needs in virtual onboarding, employee training, self-directed learning, reskilling, cross-training, and virtual instructor-led training. It also enables continuous learning through a combination of channels and user-generated content. That's the news for this week, brought to you by NetSuite. Stop paying for multiple systems that don't give you the information you need when you need it. Whether you're doing $1 million or hundreds of millions in revenue, save time and money with NetSuite. Join the over 24,000 companies using NetSuite right now. Now's the time to upgrade to NetSuite by Oracle, the world's #1 cloud business system. Schedule your free product tour right now at netsuite.com/HCM. That's netsuite.com/HCM. We're a part of Evergreen Podcasts. To see all of their programs, visit www.evergreenpodcasts.com. And to keep up with HR technology, visit the HCM Technology Report every day. We're the most trusted source of news in the HR tech industry. Find us at www.hcmtechnologyreport.com. I'm Mark Pfeffer.
The world's best-known investor and Wall Street expert Warren Buffett once said, Wall Street is the only place that people ride to in a Rolls-Royce to get advice from those who take the subway. Mr. Buffett's quote is remarkably accurate, but how many people would rather receive advice from him than someone simply guessing? Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell, your single source for Wall Street knowledge and profitable guidance. Please join me, Todd Schoenberger, and fellow trader Tobin Smith, as well as host Veronica Dudo, for a podcast known to move the needle for investors. Tobin and I are seasoned Wall Street executives with deep investment experience, and we are prepared to share our advice to those who choose to listen. Download Buy, Hold, Sell today on the Evergreen Podcast Network or your favorite podcast channel.
Faith in the news media has been challenged, making it even harder to get stories told. The Friday Reporter podcast was created to help audiences better understand the media by hosting journalists who will answer the questions to which we need answers. Join me every Friday to hear more.